Hello everyone, we meet for a little video on the demo of how to do or simplify or modify logo. So we will use Paint today because it's free software compared to Photoshop, which can be paid software. So I think it's a good idea. So today I decided to use a Nike logo on theme, on Asian theme. So first search a Nike logo on the internet, you copy the picture and you paste directly on Paint. So that it is more nice, we will modify with 3D Paint. So here you are on 3D Paint, you have a lot of options, text form, insertion, and you click on Effect. Now we will take the one which is red, and there you can vary the big. Me, I like this one. Now what you can do, since you are on an Asian theme, you can choose letter. For example, I like this one, and you can directly copy and paste on 3D Paint. I just delete this. You pass the image. Me, for example, I put it in the 4 corners on the logo for the moment. And last. Okay. So now we're going to use stickers. It's really important. So we have an option. Okay, up here. So go back on Effect, and we can choose the stickers. You make this, and up you can move the object. Okay. We are going to do something simply. We cut this, the logo here, and write just do it. So I cut the logo here. Oh, I missed, but you can save your sticker for the next day. Up you are here, and up your sticker are saved. And now I can use the same picture. Okay. So okay, I delete this. So after, go on Google Translate, and I write just do it, and on the right I have the traduction. Okay. No, it's bad like this. Okay. I decide to copy this, and I passed here. So the size is more little. I decide to no. Okay. I decide to change the size. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. I delete. I think we can delete this. Okay. I delete, and I passed again. Okay. Sorry. My bad. Up, I passed here. Okay, I think we can create another. Okay, maybe we can go on Google Translate and write just Nike. Copy the word and paste. But we go back on Effect to create another stickers. Okay. Up. I take this. Okay. You know, up. I save. And now I delete this. and I passed the word here. Maybe I move the end of logo, it's better. Okay, so go back on effect, up, you know, stickers, and I move this. So I think that it'll look nice. So it's a very simple tutorial on Paint. It's very basic. After, of course, you have plenty of things. You are 3D visual if you want. It's here, okay. And you have 3D shape if you want. So it's finished. Thank you for watching the video, and I see you next time. Bye bye.